Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at semiconductors, and we'll start off with Nvidia, and we'll take a look also at AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom, and Micron. So let's jump right into it. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. I'm just sharing my opinion here. Please do your thing, all right? So Nvidia today, well, is below still $123 area. So this was the level I talked about. As long as we stay below it, we will just remain in the bearish structure overall, this direction that we have, right? And seems like this is turning already into a lower pivot, which is quite deeper pivot already. So we have a third pivot in hand, which will be confirmed once we break $117 and 50 days moving average. I don't think it's going to happen today itself, but again, who knows? By the time market closes, we might see a sell-off. But anyways, the point being, we are in the structure still bearish on Nvidia over here, right? So when we are in the bearish structure, what is good to do is let the rebound happens, and then you can short into it once you see the rejection. If Nvidia would have gone above 123, that would have started to change a little bit of the structure back again into the bull's favor, and then getting above 20 days moving average and 125 and 47 cents would have again made it bullish. But that never happened. We didn't even get above 123 area, so the structure still remained bearish on Nvidia. So definitely next big move I expect below $117 and 50 days moving average if Nvidia can't hold itself here, right? So here's the thing. I'll take you on the hourly interval in just a second, but here's the thing. If Nvidia fails to break from here 117 and consolidates here quite a lot, and then eventually gets above 123, yeah, that's in itself is a bullish thing. But so it all comes down to where's the next move that's going to happen. One of the moves, and this is what I always say, that take partial profits, right? The time to take the position was at 128 break with the stop loss on the other side, and then when you see this consolidation happening, take partial profits out here, and that's the way to trade. Now today you can see again 100 just underneath of 123, just like yesterday's high, we are selling off there, staying below 200 hours moving average, which is quite far away, and we never got above 123, rejected underneath of 50 hours moving average and is selling off. Now for today, I also mentioned that, guys, this is the level you are watching, $118.84. As long as Nvidia can stay above it, right, there's a chance then some upside may come right through the pullback. So we technically did see some upside in the pre-market, but you can see when you have a big red candle, right, it's not as slowly going down. That also results in a huge supply zone, which means the retest is usually shorted, and you can see the retest underneath of 50 hours moving average just got shorted over there, right? And so yeah, we did get a bit of a bounce at 118 and 84 cents, but then rejecting still overhead resistance here in that same zone. And Nvidia is also then continuing to sell off here, right? So right now, no bullish structure. Again, only a rebound would again come if Nvidia consolidates here and doesn't break below $117. And then eventually, at this point, would like to say above 20 and 50 hours moving average both, then a continued rebound would happen. Otherwise, no, things on this are not looking good. Yeah, you can see that quite a big sell-off right when the market opened, gap down almost, and then retest is failing as well, and it's continuing lower. So yeah, that's Nvidia, guys. And so yeah, structure is still bearish, and the intraday rebounds, they are being very small, right? So that's why I suggest that just stay with the overall structure. As long as structure is not changing, and in this case it put 123, any position, short position that is taken can be taken underneath of 123 into the rebound overall and can be shorted. But there were rebound opportunities as well that we talked about, not just yesterday but also for today, that we got very little though, right? Yesterday's was 117, we got a rebound back again up to very underneath of 108 and 23. Today's rebound was very tiny, mini, like, yeah, it just got rejected at 50 hours moving average. But that's the point, right? When you are trading against a trend, you have to be very careful and just scalp out of the positions. And because technically you need to be trading with the trend, and that trend is to the downtrend, right? So rebounds are a short eventually, and it's failing. So yeah, the next big move on Nvidia would be below 117 and 50 days moving average. That would be that. We'll see how that goes. All right, let's take a look at AMD now. So AMD continues to fall and fumble, and it's just over. At 200 days moving average, let's see how we closes the day, but it's not it's not bullish. It's bearish as well, since the time we lost 100 and almost $70 here. And this thing is still forming lower highs, lower lows, even on hourly interval. You can see that there is just no sign of any support forming anywhere, just lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, right now there is no upside on this, guys. You have to see if 200 days moving average holds, consolidates here, and then get above one of these levels like 155, 56 area. Then some intraday rebound may come, but you have to see the structure change for that to the upside right over here at 157, otherwise no, or 156. Yeah, this is still bearish and is collapsing and can continue to fall. SMCI, green day today, and that green day is coming right at that previous some wick that came yesterday, right, that I talked about, previous support zone. That rebound is coming today. So is it bullish though? No, technically, as long as we stay below this zone of the underneath of this previous pivot zone, at least this one though, 808 and 52, almost 20 and 50 days moving average. Below that, we are still just technically in the bearish structure. But intraday rebound is coming, and for that, what I provided you to watch was if any double bottom forms, usually, right? That's the way to trade the rebound. We got this wick come in, beautiful wick, and then broke to the upside of the level 808 and 3. I would only go for this rebound until 808 and 22, nothing more than that. It's just an intraday rebounds though, guys, all right? But I would not hold it for long enough because structure technically is still to the downtrend on SMCI as well, all right? Let's take a look at ARM. ARM also doing some rebound today, just after testing one of those levels. Very close to that one of the levels, 150, and this is a strong level though, guys, because we have a lot of support and pivot sitting. Some rebound is coming. Structure is though technically to the downtrend as long as we are below at this point. Yeah, blue box still 170 and 62 cents. Let's go to the hourly interval, and yeah, this rebound is coming, but yeah, I don't have much trust in this rebound. Again, if it continues above 164 and also 50 hours moving average, you can expect a rebound to continue until 171. Otherwise, this area where it is at, this can also act as a rejection zone, and this thing can continue to go lower. And then you have to see if it forms double bottom at the same level around this area of 150, because that's a good zone though, guys, good support zone. And then if we go up from here, so you have to see that then. So this is the level you're keeping the price action eyes upon, and with the stop loss on the other side. If we continue to reject, falls below 20 again, this thing will continue lower. Otherwise, yeah, if we continue above from here 164 and get above 50 hours moving average, it can continue higher to 108 and $70 range again. All right, so that's ARM. And I won't be surprised if it consolidates in this zone, because this is where previous consolidation was, and this is also above the strong support zone so far. Yeah, the next big move, so this was the move, losing blue box, closed down to this level, take partial profits out. That's what I said. And the next big move would be below 50 days moving average, so just keep that in mind. Broadcom. So Broadcom tried to rebound, but is selling off underneath of 20 days moving average, so still forming lower pivots. Nothing much I can say on this, guys. Broadcom, yeah, it's such a choppy thing. Yeah, rebounds because structure is to the downtrend. We lost 20 days moving averages being short. It just trade it level by level. Next big move would be if it continues to fall. Next big move would be below 50 days moving average. That will open up the door to $144. All right, that's Broadcom. Let's take a look at Micron now. So Micron continues to sell off. It was a breakout structure below 130. Take partial profits out, and yeah, it's just continuing lower, guys. There is no sign to the upside on this right now. And if we keep losing level by level, then you're watching the next level down there, like 105 or so. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. And yeah, we have, just to real quickly look at SPY and QQQ. I'll do another video on this, but yeah, SPY is finally losing that blue box, and then QQQ is already, yeah, continue to fall, but QQQ was already break out the structure. I'll talk about it in another video, and they'll be coming out soon enough. So, but anyways, guys, see you in the next videos. Take care. Bye.